Alright, what's good, y'all, boy? This is another POV drive. You know what I mean? So we got the hood on, as y'all can see. Big cat. Currently we at 9,100 miles. You know what I mean? 707, got the traction off. I mean, I need to freaking give this a little detail, man. This jump been sitting in the garage for a little minute. But got this new intake on. Yeah, boy, let us know. We don't got the lab maker no more, so that's why y'all don't really yeah, we don't got the lab maker no more, man. So we're going for performance now, y'all. So you can still hear that mug. Like that, like the wine on this thing would never get old, bro. Like, damn, near forgot I even had a Hellcat. Jumping, sitting in the garage for a little minute. So, you know what I mean? But yeah, how y'all boy doing though, man? Y'all boy, y'all don't even let us know what kind of videos y'all boy want to see, man. Do y'all want to see us get this thing to 850, snap, crackling, and popping, and shooting flames, and like, what y'all want us to do to the cat, man? Like, what y'all want us to do to the cat? Do we go performance, or do we go for cosmetic first? Wrap the whole car, and you know what I mean, and put lightweight rims, and just take our time with it, but y'all boy let us know what y'all want us to do, man. And I mean, I'm trying to, like, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of got used to that 707. But, you know what I mean, still need seat time at the end of the day. So never rush into something that you know that you still need seat time with, bro. So I'm still learning the car. I'm racing it. I'm still learning the car and stuff like that. So, little Subaru just passed by. And I know, I think about bringing something to the channel that's stick shift, bro. With a turbo. Because I like that blow-off valve. Or should I twin turbo the cat? Twin charge the cat? If I do that, man, that junk will be so stupid. I'm trying to get on this interstate for y'all, but so I can hit this wine real quick. Damn, look at that dog. What the? That's a Great Dane, isn't it? I can't even zoom in enough, but let me see. I can't even. Boy, that's damn near a horse back there. No cap. No freaking cap. That's damn near a horse, y'all. And y'all can tell they be feeding that boy. Man, that shit is crazy. The dog eating better than me. Look, I'm down there skinny. Look how big the dog is over there. So let me see who's gonna let me over. See, you gotta. But there's a whole dog. Like, look at this jump. Look at that jump. That jump look like Scooby-Doo. That jump look like Scooby-Doo, bro. That's crazy. charger. Look at that charger sounding like, why you right? Little Honda. Y'all saw the little Honda, the gray Honda? Gray Honda trying to get crazy for a little second. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know, do this sound the same as the 𝐿𝑎𝑏𝒡𝒅? Look at the dog, bro. Ain't no way, bro. I just don't know. I just don't understand. I had to give y'all two little pose real quick. Look at my twin. I found my twin, y'all boy. I found my twin. I found my twin. No kizzy cap. But yeah, let me know this sound. Let me know if this sound the same as the 𝐿𝑎𝑏𝒡𝒅. Or would y'all put the 𝐿𝑎𝑏𝒡𝒅 over this intake? I ain't gonna tell y'all the intake yet. You know what I mean? I'm gonna eventually tell y'all, boy, but I just want to see y'all opinion first. Down the window for y'all, boy, real quick so y'all can hear it. With the windows down a little bit. Alright, that's all I'm gonna give y'all, boy. See Brody trying to race the cat, man. He came from all the way back there. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna give y'all, man. But yeah, let me know in the comment section, would y'all take this intake over the 𝐿𝑎𝑏𝒡𝒅, or y'all still going 𝐿𝑎𝑏𝒡𝒅, man? But yeah, hopefully y'all can hear the sound difference on this POV drive. Next time, I'm gonna be taking off the hood for y'all, boys, so y'all can actually hear it. And yeah. But yeah, if y'all want to see more POV drive like this in the cat, let me know. Let's get this video to at least 30+ likes. And yeah, it's the HemiTwinz. And we out. I got one more pill for y'all, boy. We signing out.